Thank you.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no drinking or eating, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Wade, I'm gonna call your case first.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of People versus David Wade. This is ticket SP 1287127. One count open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Gregory Boulahanis, appearing on behalf of David Dwayne Wade, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, can you state your name for the record, please, Mr. Wade?
David Dwayne Wade, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, this is the date and time set for a show cause in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to recall the, dismiss the show cause, allow Mr. Wade to proceed with the bench trial. He had some issues regarding the Zoom technology, and he did try to Zoom in. He was in, then he got knocked out, and that's why he came and retained me, so he wouldn't have any further problems.
All right. If that's the case, Mr. Wade, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. First, at this time, the court is going to set aside the show cause. I'm going to enter in a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. So you had a chance to talk with your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date. Check your calendar, counsel. May 9th.
Your Honor, I already know that's a bad date. I'm going to be in Las Vegas.
Okay, when do you come back or when do you leave?
I leave on the 7th. I come back on the 11th. I'll be here for the 12th, May 12th, or anything the following week.
Okay. Do you prefer to do it the following week so you get a moment, or you want to do it May 12th?
Yeah, if we could do it the following week, that'd be great.
That's fine. I'm sure we got some available. I'm sure we're available that week. Let me look at the dates. How about, does May 15th work, or you want the 16th?
Oh, I'm sorry, what did you say?
The 15th or the 16th?
How about the 15th, Your Honor?
Okay, May 15th at 9 a.m. This is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, Mr. Wade, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for letting me know too, counsel, that that date works.
Thank you so much, and you and your staff have a great day.
You too, thank you very much. You too.
Thank you.
Oh. And that was awesome. Right. She like to keep going. All right, Mr. Young. I don't know where I turned.
Officer Carcass.
Yep, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome back. Who are you here for again? After we name you.
I apologize. Me, Mario Williams.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry about that. Something happened with my phone. I had to disconnect.
No problem. Judge, would you like me to just put them in the breakout room now?
Yeah, you can put them all in the breakout room together.
Okay, thank you. All police officers, you all are going to go in one breakout room. So if you have to leave and come back, go back into breakout room number 21. Let's see. No, I'm going to put you in breakout room number 1. So if you have to leave and come back, rejoin breakout room number 1. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning, sir. What's your name? Take your phone off mute.
I'm sorry, Aaron Whaley, AARONWHALEY.
Okay, just one moment, Mr. Wade. Mr. Wade, what time was your case scheduled for today?
10 o'clock, 227 free hearing,
I'm sorry, what time?
10 a.m.
Okay, just one moment. We don't have any cases scheduled for 10. Mr. Wade, I'm going to give you a phone number to call.
One second, Sandy. Mr. Wade, do you have a case number?
Let's see. I have the ticket number.
Yeah, give me the ticket number.
S as in Sam, P as in Paul, 141-74471. I believe that's OI or 0I.
Oh, your name is Aaron Whaley?
Yes.
Oh, it sounded like you said Wade. Sorry about that. Okay.
Oh,
And how are you spelling Whaley?
Mr. Whaley, your court date is March the 1st.
Okay,
Mr. Whaley,
changed it?
March the 1st at 8:30, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, ABA Co. How you doing today?
Good morning. How are you? I hope everybody has power on and
Yeah, I never lost it, so I'm very grateful for that. But how about you? You got power?
yeah, I never had any problems. Thank God, but I had a lot of friends that did. But
I did too.
did Ivan,
He was here. I don't know where he went, but I know he's definitely up for trial today. The officer is here, though. The officer is in the breakout room number 1.
oh,
for
good.
Fred.
Can I speak with the officer?
Okay.
Thank
Yep.
you.
All right. Attorney Baldwin, I can do your matter now, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Tamira Young. This is ticket SP 142677841. This is one count stop street or intersection failed to stop. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. May I have your appearance for the record, sir, please?
Yes, thank you. Attorney Mike Baldwin, P65417, filling in for the attorney of record, Mr. Roger Cayley, K-A-L-Y, P48811. I do have permission and authority to resolve this civil infraction matter.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the offer is that Ms. Young wants to plead to an amended count of responsible for blockading. Then that's how we can move forward. Does she want to take advantage of that today?
Yes, please.
All right, so reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of January the 26th of 2023 in the area of East State Fair and Anvil Street in the city of Detroit. Ms. Young was driving a Jeep and did block traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Judge.
And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea of responsible to the amended charge of blockading. The fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for her, sir?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to have it due no later than March 13th, 2023, okay?
March 13th, 2023. Thank you, Judge. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience too. I got authority to be able to offer that.
Absolutely. I completely understand.
All right, have a good day. Okay, so.
Hi, Mr. Wiggins. Damari Wiggins. Damari Wiggins, can you hear me? Mr. Wiggins?
You can't hear anything in the breakout place.
Attorney Land, Attorney Cole is here. She's in breakout room number 1 if you want to go in there and talk to her.
Okay,
Y'all need to go to another breakout room. Let me know. We can just move you to another one, okay?
I can go into one.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
No problem.
Mr. Wiggins, can you hear me? Did you respond yes? If you can hear me, nod your head. Okay, then I can't hear you. So turn the volume up on your phone.
Can you hear me now?
I can, yes. Thank you so much. Is there a reason you left the waiting room?
No, I was actually in the courtroom waiting to see the judge.
No, you were in the waiting room waiting to see the judge, okay? It was a white screen, right?
No, it said waiting on the judge to let you in the meeting.
Yep, so that's exactly what you should have done. Stay there and wait for the judge to let you in, okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Didn't I tell you you're gonna be here for a long time?
No, yeah.
Okay, so please be patient. We'll get around to you as
Okay.
soon as we can.
Okay, thanks.
Are y'all ready on your matter, Attorney Cole, Attorney Land?
Yes.
Okay, are we doing it so I can know? Because I know that there was an officer who's here.
Yeah, we just spoke with her and I told her she could leave. I should have asked you. I'm sorry about that, but we do have.
No, it's okay. Listen,
Oh,
Attorney
thank
Cole, we are all right in life today, okay?
Thank you.
You don't have to worry about me today. Attorney Land, is your client joining us
Yeah,
today?
he was on the cell phone in the breakout room.
Let me see. I did see him sign in now that you said it. Oh, you know what? Let me see if he's in the waiting room.
I mean, waiting room, I'm sorry.
Okay, call him, reach out to him because I'm not seeing him right now. I did see him signed in though. I'm pretty sure I did.
Yeah, he's challenged, a little bit computer challenged, so he gets to call it.
All right, but let me know when he signs back in. I'll call your case.
Can you sign back in right now? Are you still in the waiting room, sir?
I'm checking when I answer the phone. I'm gonna try to call again. Let me call again.
Okay. Or you want to do it through my cell phone? Or you want him to call in?
I need him to call in like a grown up.
She needs you to call in.
Still on mute.
All right.
I'll do it as soon as he comes in, Attorney Land and Attorney Cole, so I can get y'all out of here.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, sorry. Attorney Land, can I have your P number, please?
P65879. 658.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
All you young folk.
Oh, Attorney Cole, you ain't gotta do that to us.
Could be my daughter, I tell you.
That's me. Because if that makes him young, I don't want to tell you my P number.
Hello?
Hello, is that you, Mr. Wills?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry about that. I answered the phone call a minute ago and phone hung
It's
up
okay.
on me.
Typically, I like to see your face for trials, but I heard you were having some trouble today. So if your attorney knows your voice, I'll do it this way today.
Oh, yeah. I ain't no game. I'm trying to be straight by the book.
Okay. All right. Attorney Land, unmute yourself. I had you on mute, sorry.
All right, no
I
problem.
can hear you. I can hear you. It sound like you in a tunnel or something. I can hear you. I can hear you that clearly.
Mr. Wells, listen, when you have a bench trial, you need to make sure that you are ready and able to be able to proceed via virtually in the best way and capacity that you can. That means that you should have maybe checked out to make sure that you could be on Zoom. I should be able to see your face, but if you're on the phone, you really need to make sure I'm able to hear you. Okay, sir?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Friedrich Lester Wells. This is ticket number 358632. This is count 1, operation of marijuana facility without a license. Ticket number SP 358678. This is 1 count operating illegal marijuana facility, social club. And ticket number 284283, 1 count operating unlicensed marijuana facility. Third offense. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Frederick Wells, who's present on the screen by cell phone. Your Honor, we have no objection to having this matter by Zoom.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Wells, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, ma'am. Frederick Lester Wells.
All right. Counsel, I don't know which one wants to proceed with telling me how we're going to move forward. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial for this matter. How are we going to move forward, counsel?
The people have made an offer that they will dismiss 2 of the tickets. Unfortunately, wait a minute, I got to get my file. I don't have the number, but he'll plead on 1 of the tickets and it will be a delayed sentence.
Okay. Are we pleading on the first offense notice then?
Yes.
Okay. So we can do the first ticket, which was the 358632. That was the first ticket he got. The other 2 came. 1 came in August of 2021, and the next one came in April of 2022. So we're gonna do the one that was July 28th. Does that sound right?
Yeah,
Okay.
That's fine.
All right.
ends in 32 and it is 358632.
Okay, yep. And how long is the delay sentence going to be for?
6 months. You said 6
All
months?
right,
That's correct.
Okay.
6 months. And is there a specific fine that I have to do with this?
No, just,
Okay, I wasn't sure because some of these tickets carry a specific fine. That's why I'm
Very high
asking.
fine.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
up to your
So some-
discretion, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Mr. Wells, did you hear the offer for today?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you want to take advantage of it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand, sir.
Okay,
Do you
I got it
swear?
right.
Thank you very much. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, okay, sir?
Okay.
Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney, Mr. Land, about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or
No.
promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
No, ma'am.
You don't want to take the offer?
Yeah, I want. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Yes, ma'am.
You thought like I meant move forward with the bench trial. I'm sorry. Sometimes that language can be a little difficult.
I
Did you still
apologize.
you take the offer? Okay. Sir, I want to take you back to the date of July 28th of 2021. Were you operating in a location or business in the area of 15740 Wyoming in the city of Detroit?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
And did you have marijuana in that facility without the appropriate license?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
The defense is satisfied.
People are
All right.
satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. And the court is satisfied as well and will accept one count operation of marijuana facility without license. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. Now, Mr. Wells, I see
Yes,
that
ma'am.
your address is not one from the state of Michigan, okay? If you want to come up here and have a facility, you need to make sure you go through the appropriate licensing process, okay?
Your Honor,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I allocute on his behalf?
You can allocute on behalf of him.
Okay, so Your Honor, my client is an older gentleman and he was a security guard at the facility. So
Okay,
he
okay.
was told that he was licensed. They were
Okay.
licensed.
It makes more sense. All
Okay.
right, sir. But after the first time, he should
May I
have told you.
allocute though? The first time, yes, but the third.
There you
time-
go.
Well, I think these were
After the
different.
first time you get a ticket, the second and third time,
Your Honor,
the second time should really alert you. And then by then, you know the people aren't telling the truth. Mr. Wells, you're too old to be not knowing what people are talking about.
it was different
Yes, ma'am.
locations, Your Honor, with different owners. So he's just picking bad batches.
These are the same address on
Oh, they
there.
are?
Yeah, from Wyoming, excuse me.
Okay, I didn't know. I thought some of the
Mr.
others we
Land,
had.
just be quiet. I'm not
All
gonna
right.
jack him up too much. I'm lecturing your client right now
All
about
right.
his responsibilities.
Thank
To
you,
pay
Judge, 'cause I
attention,
was going to.
especially when you're the age that you are, Mr. Wells, okay? Do you hear me fussing?
Yes, ma'am. I hear. No, ma'am. I don't have no question.
Okay, now the first time, okay. The second time, the last time you really have to know, okay? So don't
Yes,
go
ma'am.
back to this facility because they're not telling the truth. Okay?
I understand. I got you, ma'am.
Okay, all right, my fine for this is gonna be, you got 3 of them. It's gonna be $300, okay? But you have 6 months to pay it, all right?
Okay.
Okay, so you just need to pay about the 6 months. If, when you come back for your review in 6 months, it's paid, no new tickets like this, then this case will be dismissed as well, okay?
Okay.
Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
so, no problem. So you just gotta give us the 6 months. So I'll see you, sir. No new tickets. My $300 fine paid on August 28th at 8:45 a.m. via Zoom, okay? Same way you
Okay.
zoomed in, okay?
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor, you and your staff, and thank you, APA Co. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
You too.
Take care.
All right, y'all.
I hope to not see Mr. Wells ever again.
Okay, Mr. Wells, you hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, just pay it. He'll tell you how to be able to pay it too, if you don't know, because you can pay it online, so you don't have to physically come up here, okay?
Okay.
And
All right, sir.
I'm sorry, the date was August
August 28th
28th.
at
Thank you.
8:45. This is gonna be a review.
Thank you
So,
very much, Judge.
all right. Thank you, Mr. Wells. You're all set. You can go ahead and hang up the phone call, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right.
Bye-bye.
House Counsel is ready on everybody. Could you make me co-host on this device? I don't know if it's gonna make it. I can't see everybody in the breakout rooms. I think everybody's through room 22.
There's still a few people in there. Did you still need to talk to them or are they on phones? Because I have Michael Weiler.
Okay, if there's still more people, what it is, I can't, I'm gonna leave this little office where I am right now and walk back out to my vehicle where I have another device that I'll log back in 2 minutes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'll be right
Judge,
back.
Judge,
Yeah.
FYI, Mr. Bachman is one of the ones without power. So that's why he had that's why he has challenges today.
I understand. I was gonna say he's been working through them all last week. I was even being a champion. So whatever he needs to do is fine with me.
Well, thanks. I'll be on and ready to finish in an instant. Let me just switch devices. I'll be out back on in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Could somebody make me co-host, please?
You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we're ready to go, Your Honor, on all the cases. I did interview Mr. Waller. We're waiting on an offer from Paula. If it comes down to it, I can plead to the court for the memorandum of understanding to be accepted here.
Mr. Waller, I think he's the one who has a ton of cases. Is that right?
Yeah, he's not too many.
That was Whitney.
Oh, no, that's somebody else with it. What about the Anthony Witcher and Rolando West?
One moment while I look at my notes.
Okay, I just want to make sure before I.
I know I talked to both of them. Hold on. Witcher, yeah, I was set with Witcher. I don't know why, he was back in the waiting room, but, that's, I have a stipulation to dismiss from the prosecutor on Witcher.
Oh.
And,
On the phone. That's why. What about West? She may be on the phone.
and West is set for trial, no officer.
Okay.
Unless you've seen Officer Ellen Brown.
Yes, they are here.
Oh, shoot.
She is here.
Let me go speak to, is that person in the waiting room?
She's in room number 18.
All
And
right,
the officer is here.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Well, they I didn't see her. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, I do, yeah. She's here for Mario Williams agency.
All right. Miss West, can you go back to that room? The attorney needs to talk to you because the officer.
No, I don't know how I got out of it. How do I get back to it?
Okay, on your phone, can you hit the dots in the corner?
Hit dots in the corner?
Dots pop up.
Oh my God.
Go to room 18. You probably what happened. I was trying to get you back in the courtroom, and when he called your name when he came in the courtroom, you thought you missed something.
Okay,
So,
go to 8. Go to 8. You said, I'm sorry.
18.
What now?
She was laying down asleep.
I don't see any dots.
You don't see it in the corner? Hit the corner of your phone. Do you see some dots pop out that says breakout room? The left side of your phone.
Okay.
18.
Okay.
All right. Did it not work for a second?
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good. And you, Officer Gonzalez? I'm trying to see if your person checked in. I don't think they did. So.
Yeah, I don't think he did either. It's all right.
He didn't even show himself on the tape.
He didn't check in, so you're all set, okay?
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. You have a good day. I'm trying to get another officer out too. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Right.
Officer Kakish,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are you doing today?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Mr. Williams didn't check in, so you're all set, okay?
All right, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're welcome. You have a great day too, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Hi, I was in the breakout room. I'm Officer Bro for Ronaldo West. I was waiting to hear. Has she been called?
No, so they just now, I told them, he didn't realize you were here, so he's talking to her right now. So I'll call your case first. You can stay right here in the room until we figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay, awesome. Thank you. I appreciate you.
No problem, okay.
Okay, now we're ready, Your Honor.
All right, are we ready on the trial first?
Well, that all depends. I would hope that they would make an offer. I haven't had a chance to discuss with Officer Brow. Can I take the officer in the breakout room for a quick second?
Yeah, y'all can talk real quick. Officer Brown, you can go in the breakout room with House Counsel. Go to room 1 so y'all can talk about what we can work out real quick so I can get you out of here.
I see him. Mhm. Now we're ready.
All right. Thank you, Attorney Baldwin.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Rolanda West. This is ticket SP 1321248, count 1. This is interest on loans, rate, time of payment, and copulation. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Rolanda West.
There's also an appearance by the good officers from the Detroit Police Department. Would you make the record, please?
Yes, Officer Bro of the 3rd Precinct, number 681.
Good morning to everyone, Your Honor. The defendant is going to hear and now waive her rights to a trial. She's going to plead guilty to what we should be amended or original charge, which has nothing to do with a loan or interest rate, Your Honor. It's disorderly conduct. The defendant is going to plead here, and we are requesting and that the prosecution is recommending a delayed sentence of 90 days.
All right, ma'am. If you would like to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Ms. West? Oh, did we put Ms. West's name on the record? Ms. West, say your name just one more time for me.
Rolanda West.
Okay, I do remember you saying it. Can you raise your right hand for me, ma'am? Is it up in the air? I can't see it. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Nope.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will? If not, we can have a trial, ma'am. I can have a lot of, I got like 20 people.
You said what now?
Think about it. I said, if you want to think about it, I can do some other people real quick so you can have a moment to think about it.
No, I'm good. No, we good to go, ma'am.
Okay. So did anyone, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Your own choice, like your own choice. Nobody's forcing you or anything, right?
Right.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Take a deep breath. All right, I want to bring you back to the date of May 5th, 2011. No, May 11th of 2022. I'm sorry, that was such a long day. May 11th of 2022. Were you in the area of Burns and Mack in the city of Detroit?
I was in my home.
Okay. And did you do something to act, let me. You wanna go out there, counsel, because you may know what happened that day.
Ms. West, you and I discussed this matter today in the breakout room
She
together.
can't
Is that
hear you,
correct?
Attorney Bosman. You have to stop and try again.
Can you hear me better?
Yes, stay closer
Okay.
to the device. Yeah.
Ms. West, you and I discussed this matter today in the breakout room together. Is that right?
Yes,
And you will agree that on the date and time indicated, you were in the city of Detroit at your home. Is that right?
yes,
And that you encountered the police when they came to your home. Is that right?
yes.
And that when they came to your home, they asked you to step out.
They pulled me out my home. Yeah,
Okay. And when they pulled you out, you, without them asking you to, expose your undergarments, your breast to them, as you thought they were searching you. Is that right?
they was trying to search me. Yes,
Right. But they didn't ask you to expose your breast to them, did they?
I didn't want them to touch me either, but so
I
I
get
told them
it.
I didn't hurt. Yeah,
Would you agree that what you did disturbed the good peace and quiet and order of the neighborhood that day by doing that?
no,
Do you think that's something that people normally do? Ladies walking around with their breasts out?
I mean I think it's something if I'm coming out where I'm getting pulled out of my house and
All right.
somebody trying to illegal
Officer
search me.
Bowman, before we have any more. So Ms. West, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room. Officer Brown, you can either wait here or you can be put into a breakout room and we'll have this trial. Let me do all the other matters real quick, okay?
Well,
all right. Ms. West, you just didn't. You just said no. And then when he tried to clarify,
he was asking me a question.
It's
I'm
okay,
sorry.
because I don't know what happened, and so just give us a moment. I'm gonna have him talk to you again before we try and make a factual basis, okay? But I gotta do some of these other matters, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll come back to her, okay?
Understood, Your Honor.
All right, you gotta stay close to the phone too for me.
Okay, I just think it's the angle is like,
You know what, if you need to, Attorney Baldwin, you can turn off your camera for me today, because I know you're working for us double time. That way you can be close to the mic.
all right. Does that sound better?
Yeah, it sounds somewhat better. All right, who was that guy you said we're gonna dismiss?
Robert Woods.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, I'll bring him in.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Robert Woods. Robert Woods. Robert Woods. Terry Williams.
Yes, this is Terry Williams.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Terry Williams Jr. This is SP 1304714. Count 1, drove with revoked license. Count 2, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Hoffman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Terry Williams.
So Judge, I'm sure we're here for arraignment. We're gonna plead not guilty for that purpose. And ask that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right, sir. If that's the case, can you please raise your right hand for me, Mr. Williams? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial or a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for May 9th May 9th at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay, sir?
Okay,
I'll see you then, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Mr. Woods? Unmute yourself for me, please. I know. Here you go. It's because when I called your name, you didn't respond immediately, so we had to go on to the next person.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now, Mr. Woods, okay?
Okay, I'm going to go crazy. This new world is crazy.
I know, it's a little much sometimes. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Leon Woods. This is ticket SP 1344205, one count hotel, motel, inn, restaurant defrauding. This is the date and time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
State your name, sir.
Robert Wood.
Thank you, Judge. This is a trial date. Trial was set for 9 a.m. It is now 11:29. Would you dismiss this case without prejudice, please? The defendant is continuing not guilty plea here.
All right, at this time, the time is now 11:29 a.m. No officer having come. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set. They can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're good to go, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate you, Judge. I'll never do this again. I don't like this TV stuff.
I know that's right. So don't do it again, okay, Mr. Woods?
You have a blessed day, and I appreciate you.
You too. Thank you so much.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's get out. William Wright?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus William Wright Jr. This is ticket SP 1382413. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Thank you. Attorney Baughman, you're on mute.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please.
We are right.
Judge, the defendant is here for pretrial and has compliance documents. I've seen them. They're current and valid as registration and insurance. I've sent those to Corporation Counsel. Would you dismiss here for compliance? I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation.
All right. Having seen valid documents, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice from having valid documents. Sir, if you make sure you keep everything up to date and valid at all times, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you so much. You're all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Demetrius Waters.
Yes.
All right. And then okay, disposition. One second, I'm trying to figure, this is just all the stuff he owes.
Yeah, so I just put it out there.
Okay. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Demetrius Waters. This is U ticket 5093919. This is one count entering without owner's permission. Also U ticket 314-58316. This is one count of disorderly conduct. I'm pretty sure. Today is the date and time set for review on both of these matters. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And please support Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Demetrius Waters.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant did have an arraignment on the 24th. I believe that was this past Friday at 1:30 on SP 13886311. That's one ticket, one count.
Can't understand you, Mr. Bachman. You keep going in and out.
Okay. Did you hear the case number?
No, sorry.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you good now.
Please add SP 13886311.
Okay.
That matter, the defendant missed a 1:30 arraignment on the 24th of February. Would you please enter a not guilty plea for him? It's one ticket, one count, no insurance.
I see it on my thing.
We
Okay,
can
the
set
court
that.
is going to enter in a plea of not guilty on his behalf, and it shall not go to show cause. What are we doing on this other matters?
So we want a pretrial on the one that's open, and the defendant owes, and he's been advised 200 on the disorderly conduct and 300 on the entering without permission. Get himself together and pay by the pretrial date. Is that right?
I know
Mr.
this was a 6-month review. You didn't know that, Attorney Bachman, but he last came to me in August. He hasn't paid any money?
I know he hasn't, and I asked him about that, Judge, and he said he didn't know he had to pay anything, which
Mr. Wonders, let me tell you, we pulled your whole entire history of how much money you owe. You must owe about $5,000 to the court.
It's
You
a
know
lot.
that, right?
You said I owe what now?
You must owe close to $5,000. Let me tell you exactly how much you owe the court right now.
How do I owe that much?
That you have tickets at default that you never paid for. It
But,
may not be that much.
But a lot of those tickets I'd have been in court for, and they was throughout.
Well, those were misdemeanors. But you had civil infractions that you didn't show up for court for. And those go into what's called default. If you don't say that you want a court hearing, or you don't want a court date or time, or they didn't request one, so they
I know a lot
automatically.
of those.
I'm gonna tell you how much it is.
Put it in the chat. It shouldn't be no $5,000. Cause I'd have been in court numerous of times for these same tickets.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, what?
What's the warrant?
Oh, you know what I could do?
Is that Attorney Shannon Walker?
Say, these two stand winners.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Seven.
It's gonna be Detroit MI, one word, so DETROITMI.gov.
Yeah, so they were only just the two that had.
Is that what it says he owes?
Yeah. So those two are his too. Got the wrong name.
Okay, so it's on. You may, if you think you've paid some tickets and they may not have come through, or you took care of some stuff. I don't know if you've ever taken care of civil infractions.
You say what now?
She wants to see something though. She wants to see something right now about these tickets.
Now that's his birthday. That's his birthday.
What's your date of birth, sir?
November 8th, 1984.
Those are his two. We discussed that, but that's why we got his name still.
And if you, yeah, I'm sure you're gonna dispute this, because you at, how much does it say, $6,278? So I know you need some more time to be able to pay on the 2 tickets I assessed, which was $300 and $200. Those are ones in there.
You just paid $2 for the doctor.
You know what it is? He has a whole bunch of cases that are closed, but he has $45 fees. It's something that went into default. Do you have someone with the same exact name as yours?
I believe so.
Okay, so you want to come down and make sure these date of births are right. We pulled all the ones with the date of birth of you. That's why we asked for that. And that's what we're coming up to.
My date of birth is November 8th, 1984.
That's all the tickets that came up for you. Was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-page document with all the cases. So did you take, let me ask this. Did you do the HIV STI test?
The who?
The HIV STI test that you were supposed to do?
HIV, STA. I mean, I haven't took
the morality class. Did you do that?
Morality class?
What's your name? Let me make sure I'm looking at the right file. Because you acting like listen, you came in here in August. I know that was a while ago. But
I'm not trying to act like I don't remember, but I'm really trying to remember.
I know, that's why I'm making sure I had the right file in front of me, because maybe I pulled the wrong one. I don't want to give you the wrong person's information either. Okay. I have Demetrius. Is it Devonair Walter?
Yes, Devonair.
11/8/84, right?
Yes.
This is you. One is from 19. I didn't take the plea on either one of these tickets either. He didn't show up from 16, and then he did show up again in 19. You okay? So you didn't take the misdemeanor morality class either, did you?
No, I'm not even gonna tell the field because I don't even recall that class.
All right. You gotta take care of some of this stuff. I don't know what to do.
Hey, Judge, I'm not trying to bring up or make up a lot of excuses, but from my younger years, I had a lot of stuff on my record, like as far as traffic.
I know. And so what ends up happening is, Mr. Waters, when you don't take care of it, it doesn't go away. It's not like we say, oh, you know what? He had a whole lot of stuff on it when he was younger. You know, and you're not that young right now because you're only 2 years younger than me. So we need to have our life intact by that point in time. We're not talking about you in your early 20s at this point in time.
But everything that I done in my younger years, I'd have took care of it or taken care of it.
Except for these tickets. This is what I'm going to do. Attorney Baughman, I'm a journalist. I need you to come down to the front window. And I need you to find out about all these tickets and make sure that they are all yours that are in default. So that way we can figure out what's going on. Because what I will do is that if you do have a lot of these tickets in default, I can work with you and I'll waive these costs and fines, but I got to make sure this is you. So you got to pick some time to come down.
And I'm gonna tell you like this: I haven't had a valid driver's license in over 10 years, and I have a valid driver's license. Everything.
Wow. Okay.
Fantastic. We appreciate that.
Yes. So I it's not like I've been neglecting anything that I have to do.
Mr. Walters, I'm not saying it like you're a terrible person. I'm just trying to let you know. Because if you get some money from the state, guess what they're gonna do when they eventually put these in the default? They're gonna take it all away until you pay it all back. And they're gonna get every last penny. So I'm trying to figure out the best way for you to come down here and get this taken care of so that I'm gonna set it for a pre-trial date with the other ticket on April the 25th, 2023. Come down here and figure out what's going on. And so I don't know what else to tell you.
Whatever it is I got to do to take care of it, I sure will take care of it or be on top of it.
All right.
I just been making a lot of changes in my life. I promise you. Like right now, I'm just been surrounding myself around a lot of positive energy, a lot of positive brothers.
All right, I gotta move on with the document. I'm gonna have you come back on 4/25/23, okay?
425.
Yeah, 4/25/23. I need you to come down to the court and put yourself on a payment plan. If you come down to the court and put yourself on a payment plan, you have to take an STI HIV test, okay? You got to take that.
Okay, look,
Okay.
excuse me. I'm not trying to cut you off, but if I took one of those tests already, can I show proof of that, or I have to take another?
Yes, all I need to see is proof of it, okay? If you took one, and it has to be recent, it can't be from.
Yeah, it's within this past year, not even the last 6 months.
I'll take that, okay, because it was a longer time ago. So if you show that at the next court hearing, put yourself on a payment plan. I'll consider waiving costs and fines on these tickets, okay?
Okay, that sounds perfect.
Not on all your tickets, but on the tickets that I assess costs to, okay?
I got you.
I'm trying to help you out a little bit, but come down here and see what's going on, because that's a lot of money to owe. And let's see what we can do, okay?
Okay, I sure will.
All right, so I'll see you back on April 25th, 2023. You have a valid license, so we are proud of you for the first time in a long time. You got a valid license, so now we got to do the next step of getting these tickets accounted for so we can take care of that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I'll see you back on April 25th, okay?
Okay, can I ask a question though?
You can.
What about the ticket from Friday?
Friday, I put that, it's gonna be on April 25th as well, okay? We'll print it out and have it all on the same day, okay? We'll take care of it.
And one more thing.
Your question, go ahead, Mr. Waters, get all your questions in.
Yes, I'm seeing a lot of pink, like, and green.
No.
No. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm the opposite, okay?
Red and white. You the opposite.
That was cute though. I'm a Delta. I know what you were going for though. Thank you. You were gonna be kind.
Okay.
Yes, I have lots of love for the AKAs too though.
Well,
like
look,
pink.
I'm gonna tell you, I really just crossing that bridge too though.
Okay. Well, get the rest of this taken care of, because they don't like people who do all that stuff, okay?
And that's
They
why
like
I'm getting my
to
life
handle
together.
business, okay?
That's why I'm getting my life together. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Waters. I'll see you soon, okay?
Okay, I'll see you soon.
All right.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Bernardo Young. Bernard Young.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bernard Young. This is ticket number U6461962. This is one count of individual was impeding pedestrian sidewalk. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Bernard Young.
Thank you, Judge. We are not guilty here today, and we'd like a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a date of May 9th at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
All right.
No, but he's on the screen. Oh, he just, I don't have Jamar Wilson. David Wilson? I do that. David Wilson?
David Wilson in.
Huh?
I had not checked him in.
I know, and his
He
sound
came
was
in.
on, so I just moved him out. He can come back later. What is it? Manakee Wilson? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamanakee Wilson. This is ticket number SP 1119851. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name.
Jamanique Wilson.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is asking for a pretrial. This is an arraignment, so please enter a not guilty plea for her.
All right, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. Ma'am, did you get some misdemeanor civil infractions with these tickets as well?
I'm not sure. I just did a background check for a job I was starting, and they stated that I had it, but I was unaware of it because I went to the Secretary of State and they said I can get my license, and I took a test and paid my reinstatement fee and everything.
Okay. All right, yeah, but you have to actually see a judge. If you never came to see a judge, these misdemeanors, so. All right, I'm gonna set it up for a pretrial date on the date of April 25th, 2023. It's gonna be via Zoom at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, ma'am. If you're that concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Michael Waller?
Yes.
Okay, now calling the matter of people versus Michael Waller. This is ticket X 4095464. 1 count motor vehicle operations without security. Count 2, speed 1 to 5 over. Count 3, regular plate, no valid plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Michael Waller.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Waller and I have discussed the matter that's here for pretrial. These are state matters, and I have been in contact with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. They have agreed that if the defendant pled here to count 2, that is the limited access speeding 1 to 5 over, that the other 2 counts, counts 1 and count 3, would be dismissed here. I stipulate to probable cause on the defendant's agreement. Thank you.
You said stipulate the probable cause on the face of the ticket?
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and probable cause has been stipulated for the remaining counts to be dismissed. Is that correct, counsel?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter in a plea to count 2. Now, I just have 1 to 5 over. Is it supposed to be limited access or is it just 1 to 5 over?
Limited access, Your Honor.
Limited access, 1 to 5 over. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna have to do no later than March 13th, okay? March 13th is when this fine is due, okay?
Yes, ma'am. How do I pay?
All right. You can either go online to 36districtcourt.org or you can physically come down to the court. It's open on the first floor for payments, okay?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yep. We don't have people in our courtrooms unless it's a criminal case right now, so. All right.
I'd rather be home.
I know, all right, so go ahead and take care of that, Mr. Waller. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Raven Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Raven Williams. This is ticket P1223673. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Morning, Raven Williams.
Good morning, Judge. The defendant's in compliance. He sent me valid and current documentation of her registration and insurance. I forwarded those to Corporation Counsel. I believe that she's entitled to a dismissal here based on her compliance, and I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, now that Ms. Williams is now in compliance and being an officer of the court, having seen those documents, the court is going to grant your request and going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure that you always keep your documents in your vehicle and up to date at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, continue doing what you were doing. You studying for school or something, or at work?
At work, well, I'm doing both. I'm in class. Since I'm at work, they let me do my class work while I wait.
Okay, all right, good luck to you. That's what I figured. You look like you were doing some class work, so good luck to you, okay?
Thank you
All right, you're all set. You can log off. Thank you, Ms. Williams.
so much. Bye.
Bye. Walker. Ms. Walker, all right.
Hello.
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Shayla Walker. This is ticket Shayla Walker. This is ticket SP1288040, one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also, ticket number SP1287937, one count, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Ms. Walker, you got to stay to sit up, Ms. Walker. I want to be in my bed too. Sit up.
I was trying to get comfortable. Can you see me?
Yes. State your name, ma'am.
Shayla Walker.
Okay.
Thank you,
How
Judge.
would you see?
Defendant's got valid and current insurance. I've sent a copy of that to Corporation Counsel.
We can't hear you at all.
I'm moving to dismiss without prejudice for compliance and stipulating the probable cause.
Okay. All right. What about the expired plates? Was she able to send you expired plates as well, Attorney Baughman? It may be a default already. Do you have valid plates now as well? Is your car registered with the Secretary of State's office?
I don't have that car anymore, but I did get plates as well when I had it.
Okay. Well, I'll just focus on the other one. I don't know what happened with the expired plates. I do the no car insurance, so okay, Attorney Baughman.
Yes, Your Honor, and I believe that it is impossible to get insurance without, or get a plate without the insurance.
Okay. All right. The court's going to dismiss these matters without prejudice based on her being in compliance. Ms. Walker, I'm taking a leap of faith because you do have to have a car to have insurance on it. If you see the insurance, that means you have valid plates on your vehicle. Okay. All right. Make sure you always keep everything valid and up to date. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right, Ms. Walker, you're all set. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Mr. James Womack.
Yes.
All right. Sit up all the way for me, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling. Let me see. Yeah. 8 on the back. Okay. So, right, okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus James Womack. This is ticket SX387175, count 2. No operator's license on person. Ticket number SP10195512, count 1. Drove while license suspended. Count 2. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP119065, 1 count, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number 233575, 1 count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP119063, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. And currently in warrant status is U ticket 160047714. This is 1 count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
James Womack.
Thank you. We're here for arraignment, and so we ask that the court set aside any capias and they're not guilty pleas on behalf of the defendant. Set these matters for a pretrial, please.
You broke up near the end, Attorney Bachman.
Pretrial, please, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'll set these matters for a pretrial on the date of April 25th, sir. April 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom for all of these matters, okay? April 25th, 2023. I'll put the warrant, I'll set aside the warrant, entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Bond set at $0 personal on all these matters, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you on April 25th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, bye, sir.
Bye. You will.
Okay. Candace Wilson?
Yes, I'm here.
Now calling the matter of people versus Candace Wilson. You okay? Okay. Ticket
Yes,
number
I'm
S. Okay, I'm calling the case, ma'am. SP 1321751. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Candace Wilson.
All right, how are we proceeding, counsel?
We are asked that a not guilty plea be entered for arraignment purpose, Your Honor, but the defendant is going to plead guilty here today to count 1, which is the driving on a suspended license. That will here be reduced to failure to display a valid license, a 0-point offense, and the no insurance misdemeanor is going to be dismissed.
And Ms. Wilson, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Sure.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Ms. Wilson, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of March 1st. March 1st of 2022. Were you in the area of Gratiot and Finlay Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, were you driving with the suspended license?
I was driving with the knowledge of a suspended license, but I had taken care of it through Dearborn, but I didn't know that they didn't remove it. So in the system, it was still showing suspended.
I'm satisfied with
Okay.
that as a factual basis.
I'm satisfied with it too. All right, and the court is satisfied as well. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failure to display. The remaining count shall be dismissed. Ms. Wilson, even if your license, you thought your license was working, you ain't have any insurance?
No, when I took care of the, cause my insurance was canceled because of the license. But when I took care of the license, the insurance guy told me that it would be reinactivated, cause I had insurance, but didn't know the insurance they had canceled it because of my suspended license.
Okay. My fine is typically $200. Are you able to afford that?
Yeah, if you can get me till Friday to pay it.
You got current license? I mean, you got current license and insurance on your vehicle now?
Well, I have insurance, but the plates I haven't renewed it because the car is in the shop.
All right. So I'll give you you need 30 or 60 days to make a payment.
30 days would be fine.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, but give me the 60.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Let's be honest, okay? I know $200 can be a lot of money. That's why I ask people, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So, and you don't have to pay it all at once. You can pay a little bit, half of it one time, and then half of it another time. I'll give you until April 27th, okay? To make the payment.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, ma'am. Good luck to you. I was trying to give you a break, but you're like, nah, I ain't got that right. Nah, I ain't got that right now. So we gotta make sure we got everything in order, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
You too.
I will. Amari Wiggins? They got music going on. Mr. Wiggins?
I'm sorry.
Mr. Wiggins?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Put your phone down a little bit so I can see your full face, sir.
Okay.
All right, there we go, Mr. Wiggins. Now calling the matter of people versus Damari Wiggins. This is ticket number SP 1288880. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Damari Wiggins.
Thank you. Judge,
You're welcome.
we're here for show cause. Please enter a not guilty plea as to arraignment. The defendant is going to plead guilty here today, though.
What's he gonna do, Mr. Boffman?
Pleading guilty on count 3 to the no-op, and that will be reduced to failure to display.
All right. Mr. Wiggins, you want to take advantage of that offer? All right.
Yes.
You want to raise your right hand. You got your fan fixed correctly? Okay. Do you
Yes.
swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a trial or bench or jury in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of December 8th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Gilbert and McGraw Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving, did you not have an operator's license on you at that time?
It wasn't on me at the time.
Right. That's what I just said, Mr. Wiggins.
Yes.
All right. All right, stipulation for proper cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to fail to display a valid operator's license. I'm going to dismiss the remaining count, no insurance misdemeanor. Where your license at, Mr. Wiggins?
I'm currently paying them off.
Uh-huh, because you started doing all these fast things and getting tickets in different areas, right?
Yeah.
You can't do that. You're too young. You don't want all these points on your ticket, on your license and stuff like that. Because I can see how many cases you had in our area. Okay?
Uh-huh. So so I still have a lot of more tickets with y'all, or?
So you have some warrants. Did you know that?
Yeah, I went up there to clear them though. I cleared them.
You did not. They printed out today. So I got to give you another date. I'm going to waive his costs and fines though, because he had another ticket, a defective brake lights ticket that he actually paid for. You paid for that ticket because it says closed. Did you take care of that?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna waive your cost and fine. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 warrants out there, Mr. Wiggins. They should all be mine too. So I don't know why we don't have them. I'm gonna give you another date to come back to court to clear these up. Okay.
Okay.
These all still have warrants on them. Yeah. Okay. What does March 22nd look like? I'm trying to get you back in here sooner than later so we can try and get you to get your license back on track.
Okay.
Okay. March 22nd, can you come back, Mr. Wiggins, and I'll have all your warrants pulled
What time?
at 8:30. That's not a good day for you. Is it a better day when you don't have school or something? Or work?
No, it works for me.
Okay.
And I have another question. Because I called off work today, is this something like I can get proven that I was in court?
Yes. Can you take down our phone number so that we can, because we're gonna have to email it to you. So you're gonna have to call us so we can get your email.
Okay, what's the number?
313
313
965
965
2293.
93.
Mr. Wiggins, is it better for you to wait a little while to have this next court date so you don't miss work again, or do you want to take care of it in March?
No, because I'm gonna be excused if I get a letter from y'all saying that I was here, then it'd be okay.
Okay, because I don't want you to lose your job, because I can put it out a little bit if it'll be better to space it out, okay? Because I want you to keep your job, Mr. Wiggins.
Okay.
Okay,
So
all
the
right,
next
it's gonna be March 22nd at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, is it just for the warrants?
Yep, we're gonna take care of all the warrants that you have out there, all of them, okay? We'll bring them all out and then handle them that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Wiggins, you're all set for today on these other matters, though, okay?
Okay.
Jason Watson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can turn on your camera for me, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jason Watson. This is ticket number SP 1316073. Count 1, defective brake lights. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant, Judge. We're pleading not guilty with a trial, please, a waiver trial by Zoom.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver or a bench trial before myself. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. It's going to be on the day of May the 9th, May 9th.
Okay.
That's via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'm going to set it at 9 a.m. Bond is set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Watson. I'll see you then, May 9th via Zoom, okay, for your bench trial.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Of course. Mr. Winston?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many of these tickets are on my docket? All right. I have to find, he has one, but then he has several warrants, okay, Attorney Goffman?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jeffrey Winston. This is ticket SP 1289390. One count drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Not on the docket today, but in warrant status. Our ticket number U44401208. That's one count of in the park after dark. Ticket number 365609. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, no valid operator's license. Ticket number SP 211. I don't know where you going. Where you going, Mr. Winston?
Oh,
You need to different place in your house?
no, I was checking in my kids' room, make sure they was all right.
Okay, cool. Ticket number SP 211662. One count drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 399583. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, use and display fictitious operator chauffeur's license. Ticket number SP 886712. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. U ticket 52770009. This is one count, enter vacant building without written authorization. Ticket number 135888610. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name.
Jeffrey Winston.
Judge, we're here for show cause. So as to any matters for which the defendant should be arraigned today, we ask the court to enter a not guilty plea, set aside any cases as the defendant appears today by Zoom. And would you set it for a plea trial, please, and thank you.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of the show cause. On the warranted matters, the court will set aside the warrants and enter pleas of not guilty. Sir, I'm gonna put all these cases on my docket. If you don't show up for these cases, I'm gonna just put them back. I'm gonna put those cases that were, I took out of warrant status, I'm gonna put them right back on in warrant status.
So,
okay?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
So since they lifted from warrant status, can I pay the tickets?
No, because they're misdemeanors. So you have to handle them in the courtroom. So the only tickets you can just pay outright are tickets that are civil infractions. You have to come back. They're going to give you some type of offer. Some of these tickets have older tickets, so they'll look at that.
I just paid off a couple of the tickets that you just said. They popped up on the little collection thing on your website. And I just paid $1,180 like three days ago for.
You probably paid civil infractions because if you haven't been to court on these matters, you can't pay off cases that are misdemeanors. Okay.
No, I'm saying it was one that popped up in collections from 2017, and that's the one it was on your website, and I paid that off.
Yep.
And then
okay, so let us know. If you paid off some tickets, I'll take that into consideration.
And
But
then
these
there
are
was two
from,
tickets from 2021 that I paid off too.
yep, we have that one, so I didn't call that. Cause you
Okay.
paid off a speeding ticket and you
Yes.
paid off no proof of insurance.
Yes.
Next time though, as counsel will give you counsel about, come to court on these matters so that we can work out a deal so you don't have to have those points put on your license, okay, Mr. Winston? But we have to handle this other ones I called because they're misdemeanors, okay?
Okay. Okay.
But I'll be mindful of the fact that you've been paying money, and so I won't be astronomical with my fees, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna see you, it's April 26th. I'm gonna give you your own personal date.
Can it be sooner if possible? I want to take care of the matter while I have the funds.
But you waited, you ain't been to these niggas from 2013.
I know, I
And you want us
understand.
to rush and make it our emergency,
No,
and you ain't
I
been since
understand.
2013.
I understand. I'm just trying to get the matter behind me. That's all.
Okay, let me see. We're already in March, so let me see though if I can get you in a little later in March.
A valid license. Okay.
March 28th
On Zoom?
on Zoom, via Zoom, okay?
I'll be
That's
there.
I say it again. If you don't show up, I'm gonna put all those tickets I said in warrant status, put them right back in.
I'm be up. I'm trying to accomplish something. I'm trying to get my CDL, so I need to start accomplish. I got to take care of some of this old stuff that I should have took care of back in the days. I'm just trying to get it all taken care of. I know.
That's the soonest I can give you though, sir, because I don't want to squeeze you in and then you gotta wait for a long time. So we'll do you that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, I'll see you then, March 28th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay? We'll have all these other tickets pulled so that they can be on the docket that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good luck to you, sir. I'll see you then.
All right.
Attorney, Baldwin, you want to talk to Miss West real quick in the breakout room? I'm gonna bring her back in.
So bad. I'll be in room 1.
Okay. Miss West, I'm gonna put you back in room 1 to talk to Attorney Baldwin, and whatever y'all decide, we'll move forward, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I just want you to know. I know, but I go to room 1. You see it asking you to go to room 1?
Mhm.
Okay, go there.
But every time I put you
All right. Ms. West.
Yes.
All right, let me see Attorney Baldwin. He came back. Attorney Baldwin, we ready on Ms. West?
We're ready.
Recalling the matter of people versus Rolanda West. This is ticket SP 132124881. I believe it says interest on loans, rate, time, or payment of payment. This matter is really here for today for a bench trial on disorderly conduct. How are we moving forward with this matter, Attorney Baldwin? What are we gonna do?
We're ready to make a factual basis and waive rights to the guilty judge.
Okay. Factual basis. We're gonna continue with the factual basis, Ms. West?
Yes.
All right. All right, you're still under oath at this time, and we've already went through your rights. So I'm gonna bring you back to the date of May 11th, 2022. I'm gonna ask real simple. Did you act in a disorderly way on the porch of your house, ma'am?
Yes.
I'm
All right,
satisfied.
and the court is satisfied as well. And I'm going to enter into a plea of disorderly conduct in this particular matter. All right. I realize this was a difficult one for you to take a plea on, Ms. West. I do realize that.
Can we have service, Judge? Would you consider that?
What?
Can we have a community service sentence?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I was gonna say that. I was gonna say, I'm not gonna give you a fine. I'm gonna do community service instead. Okay? You have 3 months. Are you working, Ms. West? That'll determine how much time I give you.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think you could do 40 hours in 3 months?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that's gonna be my order. I'm gonna do 40 hours of community service. This is on 3-month delay sentence. So when you come back and you have your hours completed, I'm going to dismiss this case.
So how do I show, where
I'll give you a phone number. Yep. You ready to take down a phone number, and they're gonna give you a log sheet for you to take down, okay?
Okay.
All right, just let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
313
Mm-hmm.
965.
965.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
8130. Her name is Miss Green, and she does all of our community service. Let her know that I've ordered you to do 40 hours of community service, 40 hours, okay? And that you have to have complete by May 29th. That's gonna be your return date, May 29th. Okay, that gives you 90 days.
So if I have it done before then, I still have to wait till May 29th?
You do. I was about to say,
Okay.
that's because they want you to be on the delayed sentence for the 3 months, so I have to keep it at the 3 months, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And then once you have it done, we're gonna have a review at 8:45 a.m. And as long as you do the 40 hours, I'm gonna dismiss it like I said, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Ms. West, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're all set. You can go ahead and log off.
Okay.
Officer Brown, stay safe out there, okay?
Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate you. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you very much.